Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to extract an additional column into Power BI from a CSV file. So essentially when you get data from a CSV file and you pull it into Power BI and then you go back and add an additional column to your CSV file for whatever reason, Power BI is not able to extract that column on a refresh and you have to make some manual changes in Power Query. So we learn what we need to do. Let's start. So I've got this Power BI desktop open here and I've got the CSV file, and essentially it just contains the country name and the population for each of those years. So what we'll do is we'll pull it in. So it's sitting in my C data folder, and what I'm just going to do is say get data, and I'll just say get data from a text or CSV file. I'll point it to wherever that file is sitting, and I'll just open that. And this file is open, but I need to make the first row as header. So I'll just transform data. And I'll just go here and say use first row as headers. So now I've got this, and now I'll just click close and apply. So you can see on the right hand side it's given a country population table, and if I click on the table I'm able to see the data till 2015. Now let's say if I go back and change this to add an extra column called 2016, and I'll just copy everything, so we'll keep everything as it is without much changes, and I'll just save it and close it. Now let's say even if I go to the home tab and if I click refresh, you can see it's not reading 2016, and I could go into, so I'll just go to transform data. I'll hit on transform data again, and if I even go here and say refresh all, and if you scroll to the right hand side, nothing seems to be happening. It's not picking that column with the heading 2016. So what do? So you go to the view tab, you click on advanced editor, and how many new columns? So it's reading till 18 columns. So let's say you've added 3 more columns, so you'll just change the columns to 21. So if you've got 4 more columns, you change it to 22. So in this case we've just added 1 more column, so I'll just change this to 19 and click done. And now if I scroll to the right, it's picking up 2016. So you definitely need to go into the advanced editor and alter the M code. And now if I click close and apply, and you can see that 2016 has become available to me now. So in this video, we've essentially learned how to import an additional column from a CSV file into Power BI. If you make any changes to your CSV file, post and import into Power BI desktop. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you'd like me to take any additional topics or something else. Cheers, bye.